Selecting proper domes is a critical step to ensure wearing comfort and sound quality. In this video, we'll help you find the right domes for your ears to maximize the potential of your Orca hearing aids. Orca comes with 3 types of domes: open, closed, and the power. Each type comes with 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. Open domes are designed with multiple openings around the center of the dome. This type normally allows you to hear your own voice more naturally. The closed domes are the ones without openings on the surface. This closed design will block more environment sound to provide better bass response and enhance the sound coming out of your hearing aids. The power domes are the most occlusive type because it's designed with 2 closed domes layered on top of each other. It works better when you have a greater need for sound enhancement. The medium-sized closed domes come already attached to your Orca 1. When selecting your domes, we suggest starting with the different sizes of closed domes first. See if the size feels comfortable in your ear. However, if you don't like the sound of your hearing aid, try picking a different dome type. In the case where you hear significant feedback, try switching to power domes. A suitable dome should feel secure and comfortable in your ear canal. Put on Orca 1. Shake your head to see if the dome is too tight or too loose in your ear. In some cases, your left and right ear may need different dome size and types. Spend some time until you find the best fit for your ears. For more accessories, contact us at support@hiorca.com.